Rexy is the cutting edge writing tool for fiction authors that puts the control back in the creative's hands. Rexy is a versatile dino and can be used for writers with different skill levels in AI. Today, we're going to look at some applications of Rexy and show just how simple it can be. Welcome to the Future Fiction Academy, where we're working to keep authors and creatives informed of the latest AI information so we can work together to further our careers in an AI-friendly environment and put control back in the creative's hands. I'm Stacy, one of the instructors at the Future Fiction Academy, and today we're looking at the Rexy Prompter. Before we jump in, be sure to like and subscribe so you can hear about all our new videos and you won't miss a thing. First, let's look at a basic prompt in ChatGPT by copying and pasting information into the chat interface. As you can see, we're using GPT 3.5, and in my Notes app, I keep a list of common prompts that I use. So one of them is for pulling TikTok hooks. So I'm going to copy and paste that now. And because I write in a variety of genres, I have to change this placeholder for genre. And now that I have my prompt in here, I need to add the excerpt from my story. And it's given me a list of 5 hooks. Great, and now I can take these 5 hooks and ask ChatGPT to turn these into 5 Instagram posts. Unfortunately, if I don't like any of the information that's in here, or if I want to change any of the hooks, I would have to go back and forth with Chat. Change this, change the style, but for this demonstration, I'm going to just take these 5 as they are. And now I'll send it. Perfect. Gives me a basis to work from, and I can edit them myself, or I can go back and forth with Chat. But let's look at how we can streamline this process inside of the Rexy Prompter. So here we are inside of the Rexy Prompter. And let's follow the same steps again. First, I need my prompt for creating my TikTok hooks. Here, I can choose from a library of pre-created prompts from the FFA, or what makes this so powerful is I can create my own prompts library. And to make it organized, we've set it up like a card catalog or the Dewey Decimal System. And I have my prompts for TikTok hooks. And rather than having to go and find my placeholders, I can just change them right here. So I've changed the genre to space opera science fiction, and now I need to put my excerpt from my story. Of course, I can go and copy and paste it, or Rexy can load that in. And then when I come to my elements and load in my notes, which include all of the chapters for my story, it is automatically brought in Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. So rather than copying and pasting Chapter 1, I could just tell it, go look in box B1. And again, we're going to use GPT 3.5. So click here. And it's created all my hooks and automatically stored it to my Notion page. And what's great is if I come here to the completion, it has it here, and now I can edit it if there's small changes I'd like to make. And now I can save this completion. And we can see it here. And now I can load in another prompt that I have stored, or I can just write a new prompt. And again, rather than copying or pasting, I have all the TikTok hooks and the edits that I've made saved. So I can just tell it, look in this box and pull my edited information. And again, it's written me 5 Instagram posts, automatically saved it to Notion, and that way I don't have to worry about finding them inside of my chat interface later. It's all saved and organized. So if you already understand how to use any of the primary LLM systems, such as ChatGPT or Claude, you can easily use Rexy, except with more flexibility and putting more of the control back in your hand as the author and creative. Well, I hope you found this dive into the Rexy Prompter interesting and helpful. If you'd like to join us at the Future Fiction Academy, we would love to have you. We have live lessons, recorded content, resources, plus access to Rexy, our bleeding-edge AI writing software. You can find the link below in the description, and we hope to see you in the next video.